Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Both these twisted circles have been drawn with two different tools. Underneath your polygon flyout is a spiral tool. But even if you hold down the control button, sometimes it just doesn't look equal. If you look, both these were done with a spiral tool. This one was not. So I'm going to start using this apparatus to do a spiral tool. A couple of different things about it. If you will go to your shadow dropout and go to distort, I've used the zipper a lot to make wavy lines, but if you just go to the twister distortion, well, let's draw a line first. And the good thing about it, you can make it any thickness now or later. Distort, go to the twister, and then just add. Look at that. And then you could add more. And you could do the same thing with the twister tool with revolutions. You could pick 7 and draw it. And that actually looks a little bit better maybe. But now with this, under the distort, the twister, it's twisted the line. So what we could do to make it look more even, like this tool, I'm going to hit P and put it in the center of the page. And you might like that. I'm going to hit P and put that in the center of the page. And I am going to delete like this part, and this part, and this part, and then take away you could actually delete one side of the line. You'd have to, let's just see if it'll work. Yep. See, I just deleted one side or the other of the line. To me, it looks more real. Now, you can make it thicker. I keep getting on, open up somebody else's file and use millimeters. Let me hit F12 on the keyboard, graphic, and make mine. I still like pixels, even though I want inches sometimes. So now we can go to click on that and make this 50 pixels. Well, let's make it 100. Make a really thick item. Then go to object and convert the outline to an object. Left click, right click, and you have a complete different object. So to me, it just another way to do it. And to me, a lot easier to see what it looks like, because this you have to, with the spiral tool, you almost have to tell it how many spirals first. I don't think you can add spirals later. With this one, let me draw a line again. With this one in the distort, you can add as you go to see which one you want, how far you want to go. This is just a rotation of that. If you notice the center is rotating, and really the outside does not. So that, you could put this object instead of, going across there. Let's just go back here and see what we can do. So you could put that up and down, but the outside, what you were doing is really adding more layers. Anyway, I hope that helped. Thank you for watching.